distinguished delegates, members of the International Implant Foundation, fellow masters, mentors, and respected guests. Good evening. It is my honor and privilege to welcome you on behalf of the organizers of the 4th International Congress on Cortical Implantology 2019 here in Chennai. I would like to express my gratitude for your presence in this opening ceremony, the gateway to our scientific sessions. We thank the leaders in the field of corticobasal implantology for being here with us to demonstrate the results of the excellent work that lays the foundation for future scientific progress. We welcome the delegates from all over the world who are here to share knowledge and disseminate it further. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have stars in the sky, and some of them are amongst us. We are exceptionally fortunate to have in our midst the brightest star, the master and mentor of corticobasal implantology, Dr. Stefen Ihde. Dr. Ihde is a free thinker who proposes open-ended exploration in the field of dental implants. His revolutionary ideas and vision have brought us the polished implant with unique designs to engage the facio-maxillary regions. He has described 16 disciplines to engage the different cortical areas and the occlusal schemes to keep this engagement absolutely stable. His favorite topic is bone biology and how these cells react to any stimuli, especially in relation to implant placement. He is currently engaged in several research projects and has over 50 international publications to his credit. He has written several books and the standard scientific textbook on basal implantology, namely the principles of BOI. Sir, every time I read the book, I get a deeper understanding and I wonder what it is that I still need to understand and what am I missing. This conference will provide all of us further understanding of the principles, practices, and procedures of cortical implantology. Today, as I look around the stage, I am in awe of the collective expertise and experience gathered here today. It is gratifying to look around and see so many familiar faces. I am deeply honored to welcome you all to the magnum opus of cortical implantology. Dr. Stefen Ihde will deliver the oration in honor of the great Dr. Leonard Linko, a proponent of immediate loading technique, a lecture that promises to be interesting, informative, and intellectually stimulating. I am pleased to announce the chairpersons for the day, Dr. Saravanan, Professor and Head, Department of Oral Surgery, and the former principal of Tamil Nadu Government Dental College, Chennai. I welcome you, sir. And Dr. Veerabahu, Professor and Head, Department of Oral Surgery, Ragas Dental College, Chennai. And he is also the President-elect of the Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons of India. Welcome, sir. Without further ado, let us welcome Dr. Stefen Ihde, speaking on the past, present, and future of implants in dentistry. Welcome, sir.
Actually, Dima Rosak gave me this topic for the first time, 2016, at a Congress in Minsk in Belarus, to speak about past, present, and future of implantology. And since then, this is a standard lecture which I've delivered on a number of congresses and always renewed it a little bit. So it's nothing new. Dr. Vivek then suddenly said, you know, this is a memorial lecture of past, present, future of implants in dentistry. And this made me think a little bit. And the more I think about it, this is a lecture not only about the history of dental implantology,